Thank you for the like. Let's tap on the screen. Let's share the live stream. Let's send super stickers. You can send a gift. As how they do on TikTok, you can send a gift. While you watching me, you can send super stickers or special comments as low as 0 cents, $1. On the comment section down there, you can see a sign like this with a dollar sign. You can send a super sticker or any super gift of your choice. Drop a comment, say something about the African or Igbo music. Where are you watching from? Don't forget to send a super sticker or a super comment. You can send any gift of your choice. Down there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the live stream. Send the super stickers. Down here, you can send a symbol to send a super sticker. Let's go. Drop a comment on what you think about the music. Send the super stickers. Drop a comment on what you think about this music. Let's go, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the live stream. Send a super sticker. Subscribe on this channel. Let's go. I have a budget to reach 100,000 followers. Okay, from France, all the way from France. You are welcome. How is France this morning? It's a beautiful music. The thing that sweet me as you say beautiful music. Thank you so much. I'm from Nigeria. I'm playing this music to make people happy, to make them feel alright. They can meditate. Even on my YouTube here, you can use some of my sound for meditation. Everybody, please keep tapping on the screen, keep sharing, keep commenting. I have a gift. I have a place you can gift me. Oh, that's the only way I can earn through the gifting, guys. Everybody keep tapping on the screen. I have a gift. I have a, you can also gift me down there. Boom. You can send super stickers, super gift, any amount, even 1 cent. Everybody, let's go. You're laughing at me. I want to be a successful live streamer with this. How can I do it? You guys to suggest for me. How can I do it? I want to be a successful live streamer, playing or talking about the culture, entertaining people. I want to be a successful live streamer. How can I do it? You guys to give me ideas on what to do to make it successful. Don't forget to send a super sticker or super comment. You can still donate on this live stream. Between this and this, which one do you want me to blow? One or two? Tun, 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 tun. Which one do you want me to blow? One or two? Somebody should comment. Choose one or two. Tun, tun, tun. Be fast to choose one or two. Let's go, guys. One or two. Should I blow this or this? Let's go. One or two. One. One or two. You say one? Okay. Okay, let's go. You are from France. Are you a male or a female? Please, I ask a question. What can I be doing to be a successful live streamer? to make it go viral and have multiple thousands of subscribers. If I talk now, you people should answer me. Why you keeping? Oh God! Oh wow! Just to they're making me. What? I'm commenting now. Nobody is replying me. I'm saying something. Nobody is replying me. I believe in future people will pay for me to hear them, listen to them, or even see their comments. I will not predict with the future. I can't predict now because I know what is give me is greater. In future, people will hope and wish that I saw their comment. I will not see it. Yes. A libro Hukotori. I want to be successful live streamer. I want to know what I can do to be successful being a live streamer. I ask a question, you guys don't want to answer me. The music I'm playing, don't you like it? You guys like it, right? On that day, you can still send a super sticker, super comment. You can still donate, even if it's $1, 0 cents. me drink water.